Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here because as I was editing my last video, I just kept thinking about the same question over and over. And so actually I'm going to link down below where you can download that and start kind of researching and thinking about in your heart and brain and mind, why exactly are you scared of the dentist? What made you fearful? Was it in a certain event when you were little? Did you have a certain situation that caused you to be scared? Were you just one of those people that didn't know what was happening and that's what scared you? The dentist not listen to you and you felt like you were uncomfortable or in pain and they kept going, or you don't like the sound of the drill or things like that. All those things are very valid. And it's just something that you should be mindful of, especially when you're talking to your dentist that you're going to, so that you can educate them on how to make you feel more comfortable. In a later video, I will talk about things that you can do to kind of help calm your dental anxiety, starting out thinking about why exactly you're nervous or scared or anxious or whatever the thing is. So I obviously haven't done YouTube videos very often, so let me introduce you. I am Dr. Sarah Chinnery, and welcome to Gentle Dental. Give me some grace because it's way harder to make a video than what it sounds like. So before you judge, try it and then get back to me. Hope you're having a great day and we will chat soon. Bye.